In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to sell and withdraw Hamster Kombat Token. So you're going to open your Telegram app, and here in the Hamster Kombat, you're going to click play in one click or play at the bottom left. So a lot of people are looking for how to sell and withdraw Hamster Token, but there are a few things to remember before you consider selling and withdrawing Hamster Kombat Token. Of course, you need to first of all accumulate enough coins and make sure you follow all the tasks that they have, invite as many friends as you can, and increase your potential to earn. And then when we go to the bottom right, we're going to see airdrop. Now here in the airdrop, you can see that you can connect your hamster with your Ton wallet. Now when you do this, by tapping on connect your Ton wallet, you're going to have your alphanumeric address like this, and that's good. All you need to do now is to wait for Hamster Token to be listed. When it is listed, you can officially sell and withdraw your Hamster Kombat Token. So for now, before it is listed, all you need to do is to make sure you've accumulated as much coins as you can, increase your earning per hour, and then when the coin is listed, you can now use your Ton wallet to sell and withdraw your Hamster Kombat Token.